How to set up your Tumblr profile for the first time. First of all, open the Tumblr app and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you are on the dashboard, tap the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can start customizing how it looks. Next, tap the theme appearance icon at the top to begin editing your profile. Here you will see several options you can personalize. Start by uploading a profile picture. Just tap on the default image and choose a photo from your device. After selecting the image, you can crop or adjust it as needed, then save the changes. Also change your background picture to make your profile more attractive. Furthermore, you can change your blog name, add badges, edit your description, and adjust the accent and background color to match your style. In the description section, you can write something short about yourself or your interest. This helps authors understand what your blog is about. You can also customize more settings by tapping the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Here you can update your name, adjust your visibility, and change other preferences. Additionally, go to account settings to update your email, password, security details, birthday, and more. You will also find options to enable or disable replies, choose whether to share your activity, and decide if your blog appears in the search results. Adjust these settings based on your personal preferences. Once you are happy with your setup, make sure to tap Save to apply all the changes. Your profile is now fully set up and ready to share with others. You can go back anytime to make edits or add more details later. Now you know how to set up your Tumblr profile for the first time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.